Hi guys, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trace your pattern onto the fabric. For tracing I usually use carbon paper, but make sure to put it right. Colorful side should face the fabric. First put your carbon paper, colorful side facing the fabric, then on top put your pattern. Adjust the position of the pattern so it's in the middle of the fabric and start tracing. And there you have it. Once your pattern is on the fabric, you can put it into embroidery hoop, and I show you how. Unscrew your embroidery hoop, place the fabric on the inner part, the smaller hoop, adjust it so your design is in the middle or in the right place you want it to be, and then put the outer part, this one with a screw, on top. And now it's very important to make sure the fabric is secured very well. It shouldn't be bubbly or sloppy. It should be very tight inside the hoop, and when you press with your finger on it, it's kind of bounce back. And now take your thread and needles and dive into stitching. Relax, make a cup of tea or coffee and enjoy this process. I will leave the link to all of my patterns in the description box. They are really easy to make but look really cute, so if you want to start with embroidery, they are really great. I hope you like this video and I see you in my next one, guys. Bye!